Assalamu alaikum. The day is 19th May, and inshallah, we will be trading Tesla. Let me get my phone. I need to tell the news before I. The time, unfortunately, is 4:18. It took way too much time to set up the screen recorder. There were too many problems. But now that we have set, the play remains the same by Tesla off of 333. Moody has downgraded US. They have removed the AAA status that the US had because of the debt ceilings and whatnot. Mm, a few companies were downgraded. Futures is low. This week has nothing interesting. Just some speeches from Feds. I think Thursday has PMI, but nothing interesting. Let's quickly set up. Not YouTube. Let's. Tesla. We will be trading Tesla. I The buy order block is in the 333 area. Okay. And basically the play is off of 333. Um, I'm sorry, when I was setting up my screen recorder and my brain is like slightly hodgepodged. We'll take the pre-market high as sell play area, but not necessarily. It's only if you get an entry at 333, you sell at 338, depending on what you're seeing. Or do one thing, just watch today. Just see how I'm taking the trades because you won't know how to take the trade. Where are you going? Will you watch? You will do. Then, yeah, Assalamu alaikum, bro. Then just stay on the call, okay? No need to talk. I'll just keep talking if I see any signals, if I see anything. I'll just keep like narrating my thought process. On, I'll close. I'll close. I'll close. No, I closed. I closed. I'll use it on the browser. No, I don't necessarily need TradingView. What? Yeah, yeah. Can you log in?
It doesn't show the volume thingy that we use.
Um, Press backslash the slash next to the dot and write VOL. It'll show.
VON?
VOL, Hamza.
Oh, the footprint, no? The Lux Algo one or the other one?
Lux algo. You want volume, na?
जो नीचे उसके साथ लिखा क्या आता है? How much?
I don't understand what you're talking about, bro.
Right.
Why is everything so weird today? Email or password invalid. Nigga. Just log in. I came, my PC was restarted. I It took me 20 minutes to set up everything. I couldn't do any analysis. Bro, the net is being extremely shit today, bro. मेरा एकदम नहीं चल रहा है. मेरा 5 मिनट हो गया, ब्रोकर ही लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है, ब्रो.
Double dot com?
हम्म.
मैं तो लॉग इन है मेरे भी.
तुम लॉग आउट करो, ब्रो. जस्ट डू पेपर ट्रेडिंग. वाई आर यू लॉगिंग इन capital.com? अरे हमजा यार, अकाउंट तो capital.com का वही है ना.
Hamza Arshad Alam, my Gmail, nigga. Not your Gmail.
Bro, why did you come last one? Now I'm confused. Then why can't I log in into mine?
It is not on your account. I'm not using it except for TradingView. That if you want me to, I can turn it off.
No, I don't need the trading view. This thing. Bro, I really can't log in. I need different net, bro. It, नहीं हो रहा यार. लॉगिन ही नहीं हो रहा है. How the fuck will I take trades? Okay, now I'm logged in. Fuck. Okay, bro Hamza, are you looking at Tesla?
Yeah.
Can you look at the pre-market chart?
It's 3-7. Stopped up all of a sudden
Yeah.
from 335 to 337.
From 332.62, that is our play area. 333 is our play area. We will try to buy at 333 and we will sell when the sell orders are exhausted. If you can see, the pre-market volume after 4 o'clock has been slightly higher. Let me check if there's any news suggesting a potential reason behind this move, which I don't think so it is. Nvidia is in the news. The Tesla market, if you look at the 1 day chart, it's consolidating, and it's consolidating heavy. It's gonna stay between the 350 to 330 area. Now we need to decide plays between this area. So mhm.
Sure, we are
What
buying.
am I sure we are
Sure.
buying? Yes, we will be buying. Depends on where we get the play. If we get a selling play at 338 or 342, 342 is another area where you can pay attention to and you can sell. That was yesterday's lowest and day before yesterday's close. 343, not 342, 343. The sell area is 343. Okay, the market is open. The aggression is very buying biased. Why is nothing working, man? Fuck off, man. Delta bars, it seems. I can't see anything. I'm still setting up. Okay. Okay, no, it's mixed. It's not very buying biased. It's mixed. The volume is high, but not okay. The volume is high, and we are seeing
But
both.
there is much higher number of buyers compared to sellers.
Uh,
Sellers at price point are like what 15K, 11K, buyers at 100. So
where
it's all
can you see that, bro?
the volume footprint.
Acha. No, the TradingView volume footprint is wrong. Netflix, I lost money because of their BS. Aggression continues. We'll see if the aggression is absorbed here. We will enter when we see aggression being absorbed. So let me buy 332 stop loss day.
333 point something pause we get.
Hmm. Get ready. Actually, no. We would have liked if the aggression fell a little bit, but the aggression is not falling. The selling aggression keeps rising. And the price rises despite a strong selling aggression. That means if not 333, we can enter 332, 333.2, sorry, 330, 332.5. Today I'm not taking market orders. I'm trying to trade using limit orders. I might miss the move and all. I'm just trying to become better as per the prop firm requires. Just, not just get the move, get good entry as well. So the selling was absorbed. That means a sellers being absorbed means that sellers try to push the price down desperately with heavy aggression, but they failed. That 999 plus logic, you remember, no? Okay, this happened to a second time. Again, it happened. So I want to take a long here.
I got times.
I'm taking a long at. I'm with a slight. Hamza, why is nothing working, bro? I clicked buy 1000 years ago. Bro, I'll die like this. My order is still not
Uh,
in.
no.
Uh, Now it shows my available balance is 2000. I don't even know if the order is in or not. The first thing I'm doing next month is changing my. Actually, I might do it today itself. I'm changing this internet. I cannot see my order. Ah, the. What is this? What is this crap, bro? नहीं मेरा ऑर्डर प्लेस ही नहीं हुआ यार ये तो फिर बकचोदी है ना What is all this BS?
Unpredictable time. Why you want to order to place? Better that's not place.
No, I can control the order from my phone. I entered 333.5 with 20 stocks. I missed the move, no bro. Today there is only one play buying off of 333, 333. We want to see, bro. Hamza, I'll show you the recording, bro. BS3 is happening on my screen. I cannot afford this net, bro. I have no idea what is happening on my screen.
For me, I got it 333.9.
You went in at 333.94. Nah, I couldn't get in. I went long, but I couldn't get in. Just work some. I just need this shit to work, bro. Just work properly. I don't even know what the fuck is going on inside this graph.
No, the reason why I'm asking you is it the internet or is it the PC? Is it PC
It's
problem?
the internet, bro. It keeps disconnecting. It's not the PC.
Bro, बिना connected है ना? That's what I'm saying. So that if the Wi-Fi card of the PC will not work at all.
I don't know, but I can't use it for sure. Wait, sellers are trying to aggressively push. Again, bro, the PC fucking died on me, bro. Okay, bro, hold your long. Hold your long. The sellers tried to aggressively push the price down, but the price held up.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
The
Instead of 335.
no, it they tried very hard. They ended up being absorbed, but the buyers need to step up in this candle now. They need to push the. Okay, they are doing that. They are pushing the price up. Okay, yeah, nice. Buyers are stepping up. If the buyers did not step up, then you could have dropped because like buyers are not stepping up, no. Despite sellers being absorbed, so the aggression might break through that level. But okay, you can hold till today's open. Do you have volume footprint on?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So we are moving into the 336.5 territory. We can go till 338 is our first level and 343 is our next level. First, so you can take out a partial at 338, or you can maybe drop it entirely depending on what you want to do. The candles don't, and the aggression doesn't look very nice. The buyers tried pushing the price very high, but the sellers won, or the sellers are winning at this view app. Let's look at the next candle. The buyers need to win this level. This is the level that they need to win. If they win this level, then you can hold the long. Can you look at the view app in your this thing,
It's not showing up.
the blue line,
It is at 335.3.
and turn off your this thing, your pre-market, if your pre-market is on. Alt Shift E. Press Alt Shift E if you have the pre-market on, because that messes up the view app.
I turned it off.
Okay. In this candle, the aggressors, sorry, the sellers are again trying to push the price down, but the price holds up. And in the next candle, again, we want to see buyers step in, or at some level, we want to see the buyers step in to, keep holding the price. To show a follow through and to push the price higher. Otherwise, the price might not go higher than this, than 337, because 337, 338 is our target area, no? Nice, it broke 337.5, and then we see some selling some selling pressure expected, but we are seeing buying pressure follow it up, and they're being absorbed, which is not the best but not the worst either.
I mean, we got a good entry. So still
We got a $3 move, no? Or you got, how many dollars move you got?
$3. 337 to $3 was it?
You can drop it 337, or you can hold, or you can take a partial, because 337 becomes that 338 zone with buyers being absorbed. If you see buyers being absorbed two times, two or three times, then you can say that, yeah, the buyers are being absorbed for the second time now. If this candle ends up closing low, that means buyers were absorbed twice. So either there is a little bit more move left, or this move is exhausted, and you can potentially start taking a shot at maybe 338. If the candle goes a little bit higher, you can drop the trade. You can even drop it now. Two shooting stars, bro. Not a very good sign. But it also means that sellers tried pushing the price down and buyers did not let it. So you can look at it both ways. But they can drop the price down, because sellers are the one winning today in terms of aggression. Hmm. Okay, bro. Sellers are being very aggressive and the price is not falling. Like, very, very, very aggressive. Look at the volume coming in. Okay, all the sellers were absorbed, bro. Good news for you. Are you still in position?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, I mean, I got a good entry again. So I won't like really drop.
No, you can take your partial, put a stop loss, and just let it run if you want to let it run.
Partial कैसे इसमें लेते हैं मैंने वो नहीं किया हुआ.
एक
मैं
मिनट
तो
मैं
अलग
आ
अलग
रहा हूँ. मैं तो मुझे तो वैसे भी एंट्री मिली ही नहीं, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, मैं आ रहा हूँ.
तुमने किया था. होती है इसमें। मैंने कहा कुछ क्या ट्रेड से रोना आपने बोला व्यूअर डाल के मेरे व्यूअर ने बस यही डाला तो वॉल्यूम ये वॉल्यूम फुटप्रिंट नहीं है वो वॉल्यूम इतना सारा अच्छा है तो ये इधर सारा दिख रहा है उसमें एक बार डाला तो इसलिए ये वॉल्यूम इधर से आता है just time and see if you want to look no I want the other one when you say rather than 38 JD even a can be going good but like much long version I think you know you're fitting to some good trading you should the only thing they do is show good beautiful looking chart but apart from that they do show so this was very clean candle all of the aggression was buying and the price goes up stuff like this like aggressive selling and the price is now go down तो सोच के यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बाय लिमिट ऑर्डर्स लगे हुए हैं और ये लेवल टूट नहीं रहा है ये लेवल it's like level is being held the moment you see like stuff like this level being broken or like this level being violated 335.5 level है ना बहुत परफेक्ट राउंड नंबर so the moment you see it's like going into 335 breaking 335 and then maybe be like I'm your hand maybe you can see some new buying step in at 330 4.5 multiple stuff. Maybe the price comes down here and then goes up. I was thinking this thing at 335.2. EMA is coming down. No? EMA is coming down and can force the price down. I was thinking 330, 3.2 pay. And I'm actually looking at 330.9. I was actually on that. 330.9? 333. And I think it's only on that. Entry and I'm saying I really get frustrated over it. I'm like, it's not my preference because आपका कनेक्ट हो रहा था पेपर ट्रेडिंग करना बड़ा पहले पता हम लोग रोड I didn't have any personal room for like थोड़ी ऐसे लगा दो भैया नहीं ये personal storage no fucking wait that 6 I didn't close though 3 minutes ago when you came you were here in front of me 3 minutes ago no ये भी कुछ close up to this तुमने टीपी लगाया होगा नहीं इसको तुमने क्लोज कर देंगे फिर लगाया तुम्हें 3 घंटे टाइम पे लगा दो कौन से एकदम लास्ट तो ऐसा था टाइम पास I will ask two questions now setting the answers setting the answers can go to take time I asked two questions I left the piece 20 साइज का रास्ता हो जाता है 20 साइज के अंदर की इनपुट है 25 तक का चेक करके जो है लिखे सलाम वालेकुम हो गया तो ले मैं पूरा 2 मिनट में निकल जा आराम से तो अब सेक्शन का दिक्कत होता है ना तो जस्ट चल नहीं रहता ट्रेडिंग व्यू में से यूज नहीं करना चाहता वीडियो तक पहुंचना उसमें मालूम चाहिए तो आपने पूरी ट्रेडिंग व्यू ट्रेडिंग that's why I say मेरा कैपिटल ओपन लॉगिन ही नहीं हो रहा that's why I ask these people that you're fine with it you know ये तो क्या होगा एक बार तो चली नहीं तुम ग्रेट है I know the basic from the store on call. I know कहाँ buy करना है कभी like here you can see yeah like yeah, actually calculate it's being I got that around the radio is people apart from the solo easily right ah easily rise it's easily rise like you can tell even after this it's not falling yeah why you not perfect I was in position next time 3:30 से तैयारी शुरू कर दिया करो 4:30 से अगर they were jealous of that that was jealous I think लग रहा था कि good decision